So once again, good morning to all of you. Morning to the one who are virtually present. Friends, a year ago, I stood here amongst you to thank you for entrusting me the job of the president of our great club. Time flies. I'm here today expressing my gratitude to all of you for making this last year special. Let me confess, my friends, that the day I was being installed as the president, I was exceedingly nervous. However, the immense support and guidance from all the members made it so very easy. I enjoyed every moment of my tenure as president and learned a great deal about Rotary and our club. I value the fact that you allowed me to act as president for a year, and I'm looking forward to become a past president and concentrate on some of my Rotary passions. It was your efforts, dedicated work, belief that contributed to having us achieve what we had set out for. Thank you for all your love, care, friendship, and support. I'm totally overwhelmed. There were disagreements, but we resolved them amicably and continue to focus on our goals despite the tough circumstances these past few months. Friends, let me record my gratitude for my family, especially my wife Ritu, who bear with me a lot this year and was a continuous supporter. Even at moments when I lost hope or ability to continue, her support beside me and encouragement used to put me back on track. My son Aryan and daughter Anya, for they happily spared their dad so that he can fulfill his commitment to Rotary. On this day of auspicious day of Guru Purnima, my gratitude extended to all those senior Rotarians who've taught me how to be a good Rotarian, starting with RID Kamal Sangvi and Rotarian Sonal, whose guidance and support allowed us to reach the stage. Thank PDG Sandeep and Anu, who did not hesitate to help the club and the projects at any point of time, despite their hectic schedule. Thanks PDG Sanjay and Rotarian Meenakshi, the role models of our club, who always led from the front. I would always be indebted to our DG Rajan and past President Anju, who are now our ambassador to the world of Rotary. I'll thank past President Rajesh Parkaria and his wife Hetal, who are my friends, philosophers, and guide. I thank Rotarian Suresh Agarwal, our Minister of Finance, who cared for our finances and followed up on paying our duties on time. I will thank Rotarian Charanpreet, the one who bore with me the most with all my distemper and anger. He was always complying. Thank you, Charanpreet. Ideals of Rotary will never change. Service above self will never change. Each one of us should find what inspires us. While we were cruising at good speed, doing most of our planned projects, our speed was hindered by this unprecedented pandemic COVID-19, which has even forced us to celebrate this great day with various restrictions. And wonderfully, the world calls it the new normal. So welcome to the new normal, friends. Now, at the end, let me recognize some of inspired individuals of our club who headed our various projects. Past President Ravi Preet Saluja for blood donation camp and Guru Nanak Day birthday celebration. Rotarian Ravi Agarwal for tea plantation and sanitary pad vending machine installation. Past President Rajesh Matalia for eye donation and Dandiya night. Past President Rajesh Parkaria for the installation and changeover ceremony. Rotarian Past President Rajesh Matalia for eye donation and Dandiya night. Past President, Rotarian Meenakshi for Sawan celebration. Rotarian Rupesh Pansal for that mega health checkup camp. Past President Anu Narang for Teachers Day felicitation. Rotarian Nandlal Agarwal for CPR training and health checkup camp, Diwali Dhamaka and club picnic. Past President Biresh Doshi for doctors felicitation. President-elect Vikas Sharma for Diwali Dhamaka. Past President Dr. Manjeet Singh for swing machine distribution. Rotarian Rohit Lala for inauguration of toilet project. IPP Dr. Manish Vishwakarma for the juvenile center visit. Rotarian Dr. Seema Patwari for diabetes awareness rally. Rotarian Sunil Agarwal for Children's Day celebration at Jeevan Jyoti School. Past President Dr. Vikas Hajra for diabetes talk show. Rotarian Rajiv Sachdeva for Langar at Shakti Mandir. Rotarian Deepak Agarwal for that district seminar Gyan Abhiyan. Past President Partho Sinha Jr. for Voters Awareness Program. Rotarian Bharat Narula for Raila. Rotarian Rajiv Goyal for NID team visit. Rotarian Deepak Agarwal for Corona Awareness Program. Rotarian Suresh Agarwala for that ration distribution during the COVID crisis to the needy and poor. Rotarian Surendra Pasari for Jeevan Jyoti. And last but not the least, Rotarian Supinder Singh for Jaipur Limb Center. Friends, my lieutenant, the club secretary Charanpreet has already showcased the activities of our club in a year gone by in brief. Now let me tell you some of the accomplishments that he left for me to announce. Our club contributed $1,000 to participate in the global grant project for distribution of thermal scanners, PPE kits and masks as called for by the DG Gopal Khemka. We shall receive the item soon, worth rupees $2,000 and distributed accordingly. 2 ventilators were donated by the DGN Sandeep Agarwala of RI District 3141 through our club to Central Hospital, the only COVID hospital of Dhanbad. DGN Sandeep has a profound connection with Rotary Club of Dhanbad, for he is the younger son of our eminent club member, late PDG Santosh Agarwala. Our club achieved the goal of contributing at least $100 per capita to the fund of the Rotary Foundation. And we, adhering to the call made by the RI President, Mark Maloney, inducted 8 new young members. Now I hand over the rudder to our incoming president with wholehearted trust that he will continue the path. Dear Vikas, thank you for taking the reins. You'll do a great job. Ritu and I congratulate and wish First Lady Riddhi, you and your entire team the very best. And I repeat my gratitude to all of you, assuring that I'll remain the fellow who works and gives with dedication, love and selfness. Thank you very much. Good.